Yo, guys, we're back again on Gusto Reactions. Bro, now. Which you drink this morning? That's your. Hello, I was a chemical, but I'm a science student. Bado is one person that has been giving us lamba from back to back to back. Shakiti Bobo, Wobe, science students. Whoa, like Bado. a whole lot of
any turner,
any duro, and like is one person that he go drop street song and then he go see drop motivational song, reasonable song. Look at Anifowoshe. That's not like Melo to like like Bado can do something. It just shows his versatility. And then on Carpe Diem, he bust everybody. He bust everybody head. Like, what's your take on Olamide's career over the past decade?
Olamide, legend. No, in fact, legend, and that's it. That's it on period. T for thanks.
On period.
T for thanks.
T for thanks. Olamide is also one person that a whole lot of artists in the industry has benefited from the fact of Olamide's influence. Fireboy, Adekunle Gold, Zlatan, Naira Marley, a whole lot of people. Do you think Olamide would want to continue on this trend of putting people on?
Of course, Olamide is someone who, shout out to Olamide, is someone who I know puts people on all the time. Apart from artists, puts DJs on. He puts producers on. He puts even people that are not even creatives but are in the music industry. He puts them on. I'm a very good example of people that Olamide has actually done quite a whole lot for, and I can say that even without knowing this guy, even meeting him for the very first time, he would always want to, do one or two things. Last time I met Olamide, send me that paro. And so he's someone who loves to, help. It's just his thing. It's just his person. It's just a very. So when it comes to putting people on, Olamide will continue to do that till the end of time.
When is Olamide going to move on from Fireboy?
Fireboy DML. I think they have a contract together. Olamide has said 2 years for his artists to do this, to do that.
Then it's over 2 years already.
Over 2 years already. 2018 to 2021 is 3 years. So I believe that the Empire deal has also elongated the whole thing. So I believe that as at this point, Fireboy might be looking at moving on. But then again, you would think about it. Does he really have the wherewithal to start a record label, to start a one-man movement all on himself? I don't think so. I think the Empire deal will still last for a while, and so far is an Empire, it is still a YBNL deal for him. So maybe when that expires, he can look at moving on. But I believe that Olamide and Fireboy, even if they get, they go their separate ways, will still be very cool.
Like you always say, Olamide is the emperor of the streets. Like when it comes to street music, Olamide is one person that has been around for a while, and he is still around. Nobody to beat his legacy when it comes to the streets. So how well has the streets supported Olamide so far in the past years?
The fans, right?
Yeah, the fans.
Well,
Olamide,
as we all know, started from the streets. Bariga, to be precise, and starting off with Eniduro and a couple of other songs of Motoshan, and the rest of them. Olamide has always identified with the streets. From now till forever, Olamide, forget Carpe Diem or anything. If Olamide gets on the street today, he's still going to get the fan love because he's seen as a symbol of the street. Olamide recognizes that the fans, is the voice of the street. He recognizes that the fans are the ones that contributed to a lot of. God is number one. But after God is the fans. Fans have helped Olamide to get to where he is today. Because without the fans, even he knows that he will be nothing. You get from the conductors to the guys on the street, to the pepper sellers, to the old women, men, people, everybody loves Olamide because he has been able to use his music to actually pass messages that resonate with the street. Olamide has been a warrior for the street. He has been a fighter for the street through his music. So in terms of support, fans have really gone to any length, to every length to support Olamide from his first album, Rhapsody to Baddest Guy Ever Laid Bed to Yahoo Boy No Laptop to
Yomi Mayweather.
There's been a whole lot, and for every of those albums you could feel the street on this particular one. Everyone loves Olamide, and of course they will support him. Carpe Diem could be something that we believe that it's off the street, but trust me, because Olamide, this street still support him.
Looking at Carpe Diem, which is Olamide's latest body of work, when next are we to get another project from Olamide? Because Carpe Diem is one album that Olamide's sound changed a lot from it. And do you think that this album affected the how well it was accepted by the fans on the streets?
Well, I think that Olamide, for a fact, he will drop another album this year. He has already said, guys, pick a date. I have an album ready. He has told them, Oga, just pick a date.
Every
album
year
is ready. Every year, every now and then album. But I believe that Olamide will just wait for the deal with Empire to expire, and he will surely go back to the streets. Olamide will.
Are you sure you're certain of this?
Olamide will go back to the streets. Trust me. In fact, he could do a whiskey thing. YBNL featuring Olamide. Street. He wants to feed the streets, and this Empire deal is not letting him to do that. Empire doesn't want anything that will stay local. They want an international appeal and all of that. Fine, he's giving them that, but trust me, Olamide might eventually just form it. You know what? YBNL EP, YBNL featuring Olamide, YBNL featuring Chinko or something, and just do a street EP.
They did an album once, and that was where Jealous came out from,
for the streets. So that's what I believe. So Olamide, for once, will recognize the fans, and we want to give back to them once again with an EP.
You heard it here first from the prophet Sheyi. He said Olamide is coming back to the streets after the Empire deal. Let us know your thoughts on that. Is Olamide going to come back after Empire? Is Olamide going to come back with the street music, strictly street, back to back? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and let us also know, should Olamide move on from Carpe Diem and drop another album like he has announced? You pick a date and then the album drops. Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for everything you do for us at Gusto. We love you and we truly appreciate you. Please always stay safe and keep taking care of yourself. We see you on the next episode of Gusto Reaction. Love, peace.